morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures. A couple things are developing here that potentially, if the bears are in a position to put a day together. Yesterday, they won the day yesterday by taking back the weekly pivot at 2106.70 and holding it up as resistance throughout the afternoon. We have seen lows now. We've tested the 96, 75-ish area. I would expect a move back to retest 2100 to 2102. 2100 to 2102 had been a floor for the past 5 sessions or so. Been established here, here, and here. Okay. What we're seeing now is that floor in the Globex session become resistance. If that continues to occur, if 2100 stays resistance, they want 2100 to stay resistance, they being the bears. The weekly pivot must remain resistance up at 2106.70. If the bears lose that level again, then I would expect to see a retest of highs. So the bears have an opportunity today to push things down towards the green line there, towards the middle band. This hasn't changed my thought that we've had for the last week and a half, going on 2 weeks, that we were going to see mid-band before we saw the upper band. When you see the band run away like that, unless it really leaps out to grab it fairly quickly and starts a secondary band ride, you'll see it start to roll over. You'll see price flatten out, and then you're going to see that test I was talking about, a test in the middle band, either as a function of time or as a function of price. Right now, it's a little bit of both. It's a function of time because we have been trading essentially sideways for the last 6 to 7 sessions. It's a function of price as we have pulled back, about 20 handles off the high. But like I mentioned last month, when we do get the actual pullback, it's going to be very similar to yesterday. Netanyahu's speaking to Congress. We're pulling back. The bears get that dip, and then the dip buyers just come in. They hit it hard. They bounce it up. They shake the shorts out. Then it goes back to where it wants to be. So the market is going down, and the bears still don't feel like they're making any progress. That said, as you look up this morning, you see weekly pivot as resistance for the first time in a very long time. 2100 trying to be resistance. Trading below 2100. And we're 20 handles off the highs. And I would imagine the majority of bears, the majority of short traders, probably haven't done real well, despite the fact that we have been heading lower, because it's so choppy and the dip buyers just have no fear. And to reverse the dynamic of no fear in the dip buyers is going to take years, not days. Okay, so that's all I got. Watch 2100, watch 2107. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. Come trade this stuff with us. We'd love to meet you. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.